Everything alive. Waiting.
To thievery. Isn't that so, Mr. Quinn?
Well,
And being that desperate man, you committed this crime. Isn't that right, Mr. Quinn?
I have no idea what's going on, but I use Credit Karma, so I'm good. But I thought that shouting was very impressive.
Credit Karma. Bad for drama, good for credit.
Still dating that city girl?
Gluten-free and vegan. Yeah.
No. We're gonna get back on the horse? I don't have time. Well, that's the whole point of online dating.
I'd just rather meet somebody out here.
Here? How's that working out for you?
Hey, babe.
Where'd you meet her?
FarmersOnly.com.